So today we're going to be making a cozy fireplace right here in your home, in your kitchen. The recipe taken from the site Great Chefs of Great Britain. It's fairly easy, but it takes so much time. As a first step, we need to prepare a cream mixture for the base of our campfire. But first, we need to measure out our ingredients. After measuring out all the ingredients, we're able to start the cooking itself. Okay, so first we pour 280 milliliters of heavy cream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, and once we get that going, we take 112 milliliters of whole milk in. Oh yeah, right. And now this is very important. 55 grams of caster sugar. Get ready. Oh yeah. And now we mix. We cannot let this one start boiling. It just has to be warm. Once heated, we are pouring the mixture of heavy cream and milk into the mixture of egg yolks and sugar. Remember not to pour the mixture too fast or the yolks will solidify and the whole mixture will be unusable. Alright, so now once you've got your eggs and cream mixed, you can put the mixture back into the pan so that it thickens. Oh yeah. That's dobra. Okay, so once it's done, we let it cool down and now we make our raspberry... Powtórzmy to. Kompot, to się nazywa kompot. Okay, now once this done, we make our raspberry compote and let this bad boy to cool down. A pan, water, sugar. Okay, so now once that's boiling, we need our raspberries and we add them straight to the pot. Now that raspberry compote is boiling, we wait for it to thicken as well as the cream over here so that we can finally make the base of our fireplace today. Once our raspberry compote has thickened so that it covers the back of a spoon, we are ready to transfer it to a food blender. Now once the mixture is mixing, we wait for the seeds to vanish. It will take some time. Now, even before we start making our fireplaces, we have to first sip the cream throughout a strainer. First, even before we start making our fireplaces, we need to pour our cream through the really fine strainer so that no, and I say no, uneven surfaces, uneven texture of the cream are left. Now, once our cream is sieved and our raspberries are ready, we are finally ready to assemble our fireplace. So, at first we take one big dollop of raspberries. Oh yeah, like that. And we place it on the very bottom of the
fireplace.
Of the fireplace. Yeah. Even another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. And now really slowly and gently. We do the same up to the top with the cream. Really gently. There has to be a layer. Gently, slowly. And now, once we have the main layer done, we can take something bigger, a cup measure. Just take and pour up to the top. Now, once we have our future fireplaces ready, we have to put them in the fridge for at least 6 hours so that they can solidify with the agate that we added and also the gelatin leaves that we added from the water. In the fridge they go. We have got no flour left.
Into the sunset.
We don't have a systematic error, we're perfect. Okay, so here we have the ingredients needed to do the sticks that we're gonna put our marshmallows on and grill them on our little campfire that we did earlier. So here we got exactly 564 grams of plain flour right here, right now. And here we got around 270 milliliters of chocolate beer that we pour straight into our mixture. And also right here we have 20 grams of cocoa powder, 8 grams of salt, and also 30 grams of rye flour. And we just add it in like that, just like that. Just a little mix. Once we had given it this little mix, we take out our food processor with a bread thingy attached to it, and we simply put our mixture into the food processor. So now, when we finally got it inserted into the food processor, we tego tutaj nie ma.
Where's the screw? It fits.
We knead our dough for the sticks for around 5 minutes or until smooth. During the process of kneading, we add 4 tablespoons or maybe 3 of melassa. When the process is finished for the food processor, we should take the matters in our own hands and knead the dough until it has become one solid piece of brown. No, what's amazing brown balls. I love playing with my balls. Now out of the dough we have to make something about 8 brown balls, because we now want this dough to rest in the fridge. Now once we have our balls nice and wrapped, we put them to the fridge for at least something like an hour so that they can soften, so that we can make some really tight, no, the opposite of thick,
Thin.
Really thin dough. Yes, like this. So that they kinda resemble branches.
So what are you doing?
Sticks. Just like that, just like so. This will be a stick. After cooking, they will slightly resemble real branches. And the very moment when the potato starts floating, it means that the oil has temperature of around 170 degrees Celsius. But we're chemistry, so we should probably set it in Kelvin. So it's around 443 Kelvins.
Yes.
Even before the deep frying process, if you just close your eyes lightly, they look like branches. So now, as the oil has reached the designated temperature, we are ready
The
to...
potato is floating.
Was floating. We are ready to put our branches in. Now, once we fried the sticks, we have to dry them for about an hour in the oven so they are as crispy as we can get them. Temperature about 343 Kelvins. Now, when our sticks, our branches are ready and out of the oven, first we need to make kind of a nest out of them. For a more foresty flavor, we're adding some anhydrous berries into the mix. Just randomly split them around the plate, as many as you wish.
Just to really get that foresty feel.
Now one might ask, but wait, where's the campfire? Well, with sugar and alcohol we are able to make a campfire anywhere, especially in our place right here.
Don't try this.
Now, not too much.
Meme review.
Now we take our marshmallows and now we lit the campfire. Alright, yeah. Just take a branch, just put the marshmallow on the branch and we just grill away. To wychodzi! Oh my god! Okay. A little bit too brown, but cheers.
Yeah, cozy campfire in your house.
It's not the end. No, just try the stick. Dig into the side of the cream where there is no fire so that you just don't burn yourself. Oh yes. Just heat it up a little bit, because why not? That's so good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our recipe, I hope you enjoyed our video, so now smash that like button and subscribe and see you later or later.